Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Oony Balloony from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start at the top and let's draw a circle for the first eye. And then underneath on the right, let's draw another circle for the other one. And let's draw a circle inside each one on the bottom corner. Now let's color both of these in black. Now that we have the eyes, let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down. And let's continue it over to the right side. Now let's hop on top and let's draw another curve out to the right as well. And then from the end of each line, let's curve it down for the neck. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop up, and on the left, let's draw another circle for the nose. And then underneath, let's add the teeth by drawing 2 lines down and a line across. Now inside, let's draw a line down in the center and one more on each side. And lastly, for the head here, let's draw the hair. On the top right, let's draw a curve down. And then let's add 3 more on top in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw a large circular curve down, around, and back up. Now inside, let's add the shirt by drawing a curve across at the top. Then let's hop down and let's draw another curve up and down across the center here. Now in the bottom section, let's draw an oval for the belly button. And color it in black. Now that we have the main part of the body, let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve out and another one underneath. And close it off at the end. Now at the end here, let's draw 2 curves out and down. Now at the end of the arm, let's draw the hand. Let's draw 2 curves out and down. And add a bump out on both sides. Now from the ends, let's draw another smaller curve in again. And again, 2 bumps. And let's draw 2 more curves in. And 1 more bump to close off the hand. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's move over and draw the right side. For this arm, let's draw 2 angles up and close it off at the end. Now for the arm, let's draw 2 wavy lines up. Now let's draw the hand at the end in the same way. We'll start with 2 curves up and out, and 2 bumps for the fingers. Now let's add 2 more curves up, and 2 more bumps. Now for the last finger, let's draw 2 curves in, leaving a gap, and 1 more bump up. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop underneath and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 wavy lines down on the left, and 2 on the right. Now for the feet, let's curve it out from the outside line. Then let's add 3 bumps out. And then let's curve it back in and up. And that's it for Oony Balloony. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!